How do you troubleshoot a no start or no crank issue with a vehicle that has a transponder key? Let's take a look next.
This video is sponsored by Bluestreak. Visit standardbluestreak.com to learn more.
Transponder keys have been around for more than 20 years. The technology uses radio frequency identification, or RFID, to confirm that the key in the proximity of the ignition lock matches the vehicle. The transponder chip in the key is passive and is not internally powered. The energy used to power the chip comes from coils around the ignition switch, and the energy transferred produces DC power in the transponder chip. The power causes the transponder chip to transmit a radio signal that is received by the antenna coil mounted around the ignition switch. The radio signal and information transmitted must match codes programmed in a module, whether it's the engine control module, body control module, or dedicated immobilizer module. To troubleshoot the antenna in the steering column or dash, you can use an inspection loop tool for the antenna. If the antenna is sending out a radio frequency when the key is inserted, the LED will flash. Another method to eliminate the possibility that the antenna is the problem is by wrapping the key in aluminum foil. This will block any signals coming from the transponder key from reaching the antenna on the dash. If the transponder and antenna are working, the vehicle won't start. This may be accompanied by lights or a warning message. Using a scan tool, you can check the status of several module parameters relating to the transponder key system, such as how many keys are registered to the vehicle and the status of the immobilizer system. You can also check the status of the other modules that may use the transponder information to enable the operation of other systems like infotainment. These tests could also confirm the installation of an aftermarket remote starter system. So the next time you receive a customer complaint that the engine isn't starting and you find the vehicle uses a transponder key, use these tips to help diagnose the problem. I'm Doug Kaufman. Thanks for watching.